Everyone, and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, I've clearly explained you that the gold is forming this particular pattern, okay, and we have seen there is a higher chances that if the price sustain above 3400 a further upside can be seen, okay, and it has already made a high. As we have seen, the high of all-time high was around $3503, okay, and once the price started going upside, there was a higher chances that we can see further high. See, the price has already made a new high, which is around 3581, okay, and I've clearly explained you that once the price touched this level and sustain, trail your SL by $10 to $15 or $15 to $20 as per your quantity, so you can capture a big movement towards an upside. Okay, now if you look at this particular trend, see, this is the narrow pattern which has been formed, okay, and the price at this level, it has moved upside. Now if the price started coming again towards 3420 and sustain below this level, that means it can bounce back from this level, but if it started falling below this level, then we can see it can move again in this particular pattern. Okay, so once the price started sustaining this level and goes below a level of 33, okay, this is the level, because if you look at this particular level around 3330 or 3340, okay, this is the point where we can see a bounce back can be seen again, and the price can move in this particular level again, or it will break this particular level and it can move further down. Okay, this is a 2 hours chart. Okay, now coming back again on the day wise chart, and then I'll show you a weekly chart where the price can move. See, this is a day wise chart. If you look at this particular trend we have seen today, it is forming a red candle, okay, and chances are high that if the price sustaining, okay, because the very close support is coming at a level of 3541, if the price sustain this level, a bounce back can be seen, but if that didn't sustain, we can see it can touch its today's low of $3509, and then a further low if the price didn't sustain. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, this is the narrow pattern has formed and a level of 3400 where the price has break this particular level and made a new high, all-time high. After that the price has come down. Now understand, whenever it is making a new high, we have seen a good fall comes. Okay, this you can see in all of the trend when the price has touched a new high, okay, that it make a sharp fall, okay, and it made a good fall for around 2-3 candles. You can see that the price has moved further low, and after that it tries to go upside. That is where it tries to go higher. Coming back on a weekly chart, you will understand how the price is moving on the weekly chart basis. See, on the weekly chart, if you understand, we have seen 3 red and green candles are forming, and chances of 3 green candles are forming, it create a pattern towards an upside. So understand that if you are trading on the basis of the weekly chart, the next support which is very close to it, that is $3502. Okay, this is the first support as one, and we can see a bounce back can be seen at this level. But suppose if it started falling below this level, we can see the price can fall again towards next level, that $3457. okay, $3457, this is what we can see, that is support 2. Okay, and if the price falling below 3457, a further fall can be seen towards next support, that is $3438. And if the price falling below 3438, a further downfall can be seen towards next level, that is very close to it, a level of $3413. okay, and once the price falling below 3413, a further fall can be seen towards next level, that is also a level of around $3380, that is around $80. okay, that is a support 5 we can see. Again I repeat, suppose if the price started falling below this level, a probability of going towards 3502 we can see, then to a level of $57, which is a support 2, and then we can see a further fall towards 3438, and then to a level of around 3413, then to a level of $33.80. After this particular level, we can see this level. Understand that the price has created this particular pattern. So as soon as the price started going below a level of around 34.30, it will move in this zone again. So it will try to go narrow as explained in the device chart. As you can see, looking at this particular chart, it will move in this zone, and once the price started falling below around 33.30 or 33.40, we can see it can break this particular pattern towards downside, and then a further fall can be seen. Okay, this is what we can see in this level. So as soon as the price started hitting up below a level of 3400, probability will be high that it can come down towards 3382 also, and it can, if it started falling below this level after crossing 3377, it can move towards 3364. Then a further fall also can be seen towards a level of around 3353, and then a further low. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I'll give in the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to